Hello everyone, myself Aravindhya from Department of Mathematics, AVS College of Arts and Science, Autonomous. Now today's topic is a statistical method and its applications. Next. First thing, what is statistics? We all know what is statistics. Statistics may be defined as the science of collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. Statistics is two senses. One is a plural sense, and another one is a singular sense. Plural sense, which means a collection of numerical facts. Example: profit of different units in a different industries. And second one is a singular sense, which means statistics is described as the statistical methods. In our subject, we more concerned with the word statistics. Next. Nature of statistics. Nature of statistics is concerned with the scientific methods for collecting, organizing, summarizing, presenting, and analyzing data, as well as deriving valid conclusions and making reasonable decisions on the basis of the analysis. Statistics is concerned with the systematic collection of numerical data and interpretations. The word statistics is used to refer the collection of ways presenting, organizing, and summarizing. And the second one is numerical facts. Example: number of peoples lived in these areas. It is an example for the numerical facts. Next. A scope of statistics. Statistics is applied in every sphere of human activities, social as well as physical, like biology, commerce, education, planning, business management, information technology, etc. Statistics is used in more role in industries. So we have to use the statistics in industries. Next. Limitation of statistics. There are three categories of limitations. First thing, statistical is not suitable to the study of qualitative phenomena. Statistics is basically science and deals with a set of numerical data. It is applicable only quantitative measurements. Qualitative phenomena like honesty, poverty, beauty, and intelligence cannot be expressed numerically. And the second one is statistical laws are not exact. We already know mathematical and physical sciences are exact, but the statistical laws are not exact. It's only an approximation. Third one is statistical table may be misused. Statistical must be used only by experts because a statistical tool is a very dangerous one, and otherwise the inexperienced and untraced persons might lead to the wrong conclusions. So statistical tables only used in experts. Next. Uses of statistics. Statistics is used to help in presenting large quantity of data in a simple and classified form. It gives the method of comparison of data. Time series analysis helps in consequent planning. Regression analysis established relationship between two variables. Statistics is used more convenient to the studies, planning, and industries. Next. First, what is data? Data is a collection of all events are called data. So here data is two types. One is qualitative data and another one is quantitative data. Qualitative data is a separate distinct categories. For example, color of eyes, which means blue color, black color, and whatever it is, the color of eyes is an example. And then next one is the exam result. Exam result may be pass or fail. That is the qualitative data example. And the next one is qualitative data. Qualitative data so only fall into the observations, counts, or measurements. For example, number of students in the classroom and the number of homes in our area. It is the example of quantitative data. Or one person's height, weight, whatever it is a counts or measurements. It is the quantitative data. Next. Classification. Classification is the process of arranging data into sequences and groups according to their common characteristic, or separating them into different related parts. Classification is of two types. One is a qualitative classification and another one is a quantitative classification. Qualitative classification have two types. One the one-way classification and another one is a two-way classification. One-way classification, which means for example, population have two categories. One is a male and another one is a female. This is the example of one-way classification. And the two-way classification, it is the population have two categories, male and female. Male is the literature and illiteratures. Female has the literature and illiterature, etc. categories we create. That is the two-way classification. And the next one is a quantitative classification. Quantitative classification, which means the measurable characteristics all are the quantitative classification. This is the example of quantitative classification. Next. Quantitative classification have two types. One is a discrete, which means the number of cars, number of houses, number of persons in our areas. That is the discrete quantitative classification. And the next one is continuous classification. Continuous classification, which is the length, height, weight, time, whatever it is the continuous quantitative classification. Next. Tabulation. Tabulation is defined as the orderly or systematic presentation of numerical data in rows and columns. What are the good tables? We have rows and columns, sub-rows and columns, topics, what etc. So it has the parts of the table. And the next one, the parts of the table: identification number, title, head note, stubs, captions, body of the table, footnotes, source. These are all the parts of the table. Table is the more convenient to classify the data. We used more techniques. We have to use the parts of the table. Next. Diagram and graphs. Diagrammatic and graphic methods provides the other form to present the data. Diagrams are various geometrical shapes, bars, circles, rectangles, squares, etc. One of the most convenient and appealing ways in which statistical results may be presented is through diagram and graphs. And the next one is just one diagram is enough to represent a given data more effectively than 1,000 words. And the diagram, what is diagram? Diagram is a visual form of presentation of statistical data. It is easy way to present your data, and it saves the amount of time, energy. We uses the diagram in more and more ways. Next. Types of diagram. Types of diagram, which means the two types. One is a one-dimensional diagram and the another one is a two-dimensional diagram. One-dimensional diagram, which means the simple bar diagram, multiple bar diagram, percentage bar diagram. These types are called one-dimensional diagram. And the two-dimensional diagram, which means the rectangle, square, pie diagram. These diagrams are the two-dimensional diagrams. Next. Graphs. Graph is a visual form of presentation of a statistical data. A graph is more attractive than a table of figures. Even a common man can understand the message of data from the graph. Types of graphs is two types of graphs. One is a time series and another one is a frequency distribution. These are all the types of graphs. Time series is used in an industries. Frequency distribution is also used in industry, institutions, etc.